Hi everyone, it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to share few yoga asanas with you which will help you in dealing with all your health related issues. The asanas which I've selected today are really simple and purposefully I've selected these asanas because first thing because I want that everyone can follow up, and second thing I want you all to hold the asanas for almost about 1 minute. So I've selected the easiest one so that it's easy for you to hold them for longer time. And in the beginning, if it is not possible to hold it for a very long time, it's okay. But I want that slowly and slowly with practice, you try to increase the time of holding these asanas, because then only we'll be able to get maximum benefits out of these asanas, right? So let's start our practice, guys. Now let's start our first asana, which is Ushtrasana or Camel Pose. For that, sit in Vajrasana first and slowly get onto your knees. Give little gap between your knees, and in the beginning, if it is not comfortable, you can just curl in your toes, and if it is comfortable, you can keep your toes flat on the floor. Clear? Now put your hands at your back and slowly just slide your hands and try to reach the ankles of both your legs. Adjust your body and try to push your abdomen forward so that it's easy for you to balance your body. And when it's comfortable, you can drop your head back and hold the asana here as long as it is comfortable to you. Now, slowly inhale and come back and relax. This is one asana which is very good for your thyroid gland. So in case if your hair fall is because of that factor, so it will balance out your hormonal imbalance which is happening inside your body, and also very good for releasing all the blocked energies and releasing stress from your body. So you must practice this. So let's do our next asana now. So our next asana is downward dog pose. For that pose, again, you're sitting on your Vajrasana, in your Vajrasana. And from here, you just place your hands in front of your body. Get onto your fours. Make sure that your hand is exactly under your shoulder, your knees exactly under your hips. Your gap between your arms should be shoulder width apart. And now from here, pushing your palms and your feet. Fine. Pushing your palms and your feet firmly on the ground, we just try to lift our body and just imagine that you're making inverted V with your body now, right? So just lift up your body, adjust your body here, and give a nice stretch to your arms. In the beginning, if it is not comfortable, if your hamstrings are paining, you can just bend your knees a little bit and hold the asana here as long as it is comfortable. And then inhale and back. So this asana again, supplies a lot of blood to your upper body, and when you're getting down and the blood is flowing towards your head, so it leads to good hair growth and also, makes the hair follicles really strong. So do practice it. Let's do our next asana, that is Setu Bandhasana or our bridge pose. Now let's do Setu Bandhasana or the bridge pose. For this, just lie down on your back. Now get your legs close to your buttocks. And from here, slowly lift your body up. Make sure that you don't lift your body too up, because this will put, more pressure on your knees and we don't want that. So just hold it at this angle. You can keep your hands here. Now this is one asana which just supplies blood towards your heart and your head. So it is not only good for thyroid gland, it is also good for your adrenal gland. So it will work on both these glands. So any imbalance, hormonal imbalance you have in your body, it will be really helpful for those all problems. hold it here, and in fact I want you to hold it here for more than 1 minute. So in case if it is not comfortable, you can take some support. So I have these bricks. So these bricks or blocks you can take, or in case if you have any cushion at your home, so just place them here like this. Now you need one more block here to be in the right position. So basically you have to keep them here. I'm using my hands just to show you all. So the posture should be like this, and hold it here for a minimum 1 minute at least, and if it is possible 2 to 3 minutes are also very good. Now when you are in this position, you do stomach breathing. What you have to do is just inhale deeply and just keep your hand on your stomach. And when you're breathing, so make sure when you are inhaling, so your stomach goes up. When you're exhaling, stomach goes in. So with your hand, it will be easy for you to understand this breathing technique, right? So when you're here, just inhale, exhale, and your stomach goes back. So just imagine a balloon in which when you're filling air, so it's going up, and when your air is moving out, so it's going down. Clear? So you practice this breathing exercise and release. So these were the simple asanas which you have to practice, and along with this we have to practice Balayam. So what is that? Basically it is rubbing of your nails. So Balayam ko if we break it, so it's Bal plus Vyayam. So it's an exercise which we do for our hair. So you can use any oil, any cream for doing this. I'm using this oil. What you have to do is you have to take a little bit of oil in your hands, and then just put them on your nails. And now you get your hands just in front of your chest, fold your fingers like this, and now we rub the nails of both our hands, right? So why we are applying this oil? So that your nails don't get hurt. With oil the massage will be better, and you have to do this motion. So this is again scientifically proven that it is very, very good for your hair regrowth. Not only hair growth but regrowth. It makes your hair follicles really strong and gives you very nice, thick and shining hair. So do practice this, but make sure that you don't do it for more than like 20 to 30 minutes in a day, and not more than 5 to 7 minutes at a time, right? So you can do it like 3 to 4 times in a day, maybe just for 5 minutes. And whenever you're doing it, just try to do it on empty stomach, and also like there should be a gap of 2 to 3 hours between your meals when you're practicing this. So that was all about our exercises for our hair problem, and I hope that you guys will practice it regularly, and be patient with the exercises, because it may take 2 to 3 months to show you good results on your body. And hair problem, there is not one reason to hair problem. There are so many other factors like pollution, like stress, and your lack of diet, lack of sleep. So all these, there are different factors attached to it. So along with these exercises, make sure that you sleep well, you eat good food, healthy food, which includes a lot of protein in your diet. So I hope that this video will be beneficial to you guys, and if you really like my video, don't forget to share and do subscribe. And lots of love and blessings to you all. Namaste.